Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp voice call not working. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you could try to switch between the two. Also make sure that VPN is always turned off, and you can also try to turn on and turn off airplane mode just to give it that quick network refresh. The other thing you want to go ahead and make sure you have enabled is going to be permissions. So simply go ahead and open your settings application and then go all the way down to the privacy and security. Once you find privacy and security, tap on that and then click on the microphone settings right over here and make sure WhatsApp is enabled right over here. It is as simple as that, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, try to restart your mobile device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.